Joe Biden has announced the United States will send an advanced missile system to Ukraine. The new weapon is the HIMARS Multiple Launch Rocket System, or MLRS, a mobile unit that can simultaneously launch multiple precision-guided missiles. So what is the sophistication of this US-shipped weapon? The M142 HIMARS system, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, is a modernized version of the wheeled missile. It is lighter and more agile than the track-mounted M270 MLRS, tank-like propulsion system, developed in the 1970s for US and Allied forces. HIMARS Yan Washington Barakan ku Ukraina Memiliki Jankoan Sekatar 50 mil, 80 kilometers. The HIMARS that Washington provided to Ukraine have a range of about 50 miles, 80 kilometers. HIMARS units carry one pod containing 6 227mm missiles. The M270 carries two pods, or one large pod loaded with the Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS, tactical missile. The US is said to not be supplying Ukraine with the ATACMS, the missile which has a range of 300 kilometers. With a small crew, HIMARS can remove used pods and load new ones in minutes, without the assistance of other vehicles. HIMARS will give Ukrainian forces the ability to strike further behind Russian lines, and at a better protected distance from Russia's own long-range weaponry. The GPS-guided missile that HIMARS fired has a range about twice that of the M777 howitzer that the US recently supplied to Ukrainian forces. With a range of approximately 80 kilometers, HIMARS was beyond the range of Russian artillery and put Russian weapons in danger. Some analysts say HIMARS could be a game-changer in a war at a time when Ukrainian troops are under Russian artillery fire. However, some say that HIMARS will not suddenly turn things around. Offering multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, firepower on a wheeled chassis, the High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is the newest member of the MLRS launcher family. HIMARS carries a single six-pack of rockets or one ATACMS missile on the Army's family of medium tactical vehicles 5-ton truck, and can launch the entire MLRS family of munitions. It was successfully combat-tested in Operation Iraqi Freedom. HIMARS is C-130 transportable and can be deployed into areas previously inaccessible to heavier launchers. It also incorporates the self-loading, autonomous features that have made MLRS the premier rocket artillery system in the world. The High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is now a widely recognized weapon after mobile phone camera footage of the war in Ukraine showed the launchers in action. In May 2022, Poland requested to purchase 18 HIMARS launchers, 468 HIMARS launcher loader module kits, 45 M57 Army tactical missile systems and other related equipment at an estimated cost of $10 billion, the SCA said. The proposed sale will enhance Poland's military objective of upgrading capabilities while further enhancing interoperability with the United States and other allies. The announcement read. It will also contribute to enhancing the security of NATO allies who are a force for political stability and economic progress in Europe.